Hey there! Welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're talking about the best rechargeable fabric shaver that can make your old clothes look fresh again in just minutes. If you're tired of lint and fuzz on your favorite outfits, this might be exactly what you need. Let's get started. The product we are looking at today is the Magictech Rechargeable Fabric Shaver. This smart little device is designed to bring new life to your garments and even household fabrics. From sweaters and coats to sofas and curtains, the Magictech Rechargeable Fabric Shaver helps remove unwanted lint and fuzz quickly and easily. One of the biggest highlights of the Magictech Rechargeable Fabric Shaver is its powerful motor combined with strong suction. The motor spins fast, and the suction pulls the loose lint straight into the container. This means you do not have to go over the same area again and again. It saves time and gives your fabric a smooth and clean look without much effort. At the center of the Magictech Rechargeable Fabric Shaver is a sharp 3-tooth blade system. These blades are designed to handle different types of fabric pills and fuzz. Whether it is a wool sweater, winter coat, gloves, bedding, or even plush toys, the blades trim away the unwanted fibers while keeping the fabric safe. It works effectively but gently, so your clothes stay in good condition. To protect your fabrics even more, the Magictech Rechargeable Fabric Shaver includes a honeycomb-style mesh cover. This cover reduces direct friction between the blade and the fabric. It helps prevent accidental damage and makes the shaving process smoother and safer. There is also a safety lock feature. If the blade cover becomes loose or comes off, the device automatically stops working. This adds an extra layer of safety and peace of mind. Charging the Magictech Rechargeable Fabric Shaver is simple and flexible. It supports charging through a laptop, desktop, power bank, car charger, or smart IC charger. This makes it very convenient whether you are at home or traveling. A full charge takes only 2 hours and gives you up to 60 minutes of continuous use. That is more than enough time to refresh multiple pieces of clothing in one session. Another thoughtful feature of the Magictech Rechargeable Fabric Shaver is its large lint storage compartment. As you use it, all the fuzz and lint are collected into a detachable container. You can easily remove it and empty it without making a mess. This keeps the cleaning process neat and quick. The design is also compact and lightweight. The Magictech Rechargeable Fabric Shaver fits comfortably in your hand and is easy to carry or store in a drawer or travel bag. It does not take up much space, but it delivers strong and reliable performance every time. Small tool, big difference. If you want your clothes and fabrics to look fresh again, check the price link in the description. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more simple and helpful product videos. See you in the next one.